Hello, today we will be covering climax, anticlimax, tautology, antithesis, inversion, interrogation, and exclamation. Let us start with climax. Climax is a figure of speech in which the words are arranged in order of increasing importance. Example: the virus started to spread from the city to the state to the country and then in the whole world. So in this example, city is followed by the state, state is followed by the country, and country is followed by the world. Next example is I came, I saw, I conquered. Here the words are arranged in an ascending order of event, as came, saw, and then conquered. Next is anticlimax. It is a figure of speech in which the words are arranged in order of decreasing importance. It is opposite of climax. Example: I die, I faint, I fall. Here the words are arranged in descending order of occurrence, that is dying, fainting, and then falling. Next example is I live in a country with 29 states and 43 cities. Here the words are arranged in descending order of region, that is country, which is followed by state, and state, which is followed by cities. Next is tautology. If in a sentence the same meaning words are used, then the figure of speech is tautology. Or synonyms are used in a sentence, then it is known as tautology. Example: I apologize because I am very sorry that I broke the bowl. Here apologize and sorry means the same. So this figure of speech will be tautology. Next example is in my hard times I have to face many difficulties. Here hard and difficulties means the same. So this figure of speech will be tautology. Next is antithesis. If in a sentence the opposite words are expressed, then the figure of speech is antithesis. Example: he is regularly irregular. Here regular and irregular are the opposite words expressed. Hence the figure of speech is antithesis. Next example is he is good in maths but bad in English. Here the opposite words expressed are good and bad. Hence the figure of speech is antithesis. Next is inversion. The figure of speech in which the sentence is not given in a proper order, this is known as inversion. Example: rarely have I eaten better food, where the correct order is I have rarely eaten better food. Next example is never again will you do that. Here the correct order is you will never do that again. Next is interrogation. If a rhetorical question is asked in a sentence or the sentence ends with the question mark, then it is known as interrogation. Example: does the needle ever wink its eye? Why doesn't the wing of a building fly? Next is exclamation. If a strong feeling is expressed in a sentence or a sentence ends with the exclamation mark, then the figure of speech is exclamation. Example: oh, I kept the first for another day. What a beautiful watch it is.